Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop. Tutorial number 2, creating a brand new project. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop. In the previous tutorial, you have seen that we have located the application on the Mac computer using Spotlight search, searching for the application within Finder, going to Launchpad, searching for the application, or accessing from the dock. So in this tutorial, let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for Photoshop, click on Adobe Photoshop. Now let's wait for the application itself to load. Let's just click on Create New. And now what we can do is we can name to photo, document type custom. We can change the width and the height, but we'll just leave it at what it is. We can go from pixels to inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, and so on. Let's just leave to pixels, and so click on OK. And so now we are working within high resolution, and so we can now quit Photoshop. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.